Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be talking about press-on nails. I decided to talk about this because it's a re-emerging trend, fashion trend, whatever you want to call it. And I think there's some great people out there who do fantastic designs. So I kind of wanted to give a couple of them some recognition, if that's okay, the ones that I've ordered from so far. I started wearing press-on nails about a week ago. Due to the fact that I moved from North Carolina to California, and I still haven't found anybody that does a really good job on nails that meets the standards of my old nail lady. So I got tired of getting my nails jacked up. So I decided to just buy press-on nails. Because you can get the design, you can get the shape you want, and you can get the size that you want. It's cheaper. I wouldn't necessarily say they last longer, but they are reusable depending on how you care for them and stuff. So I'm just going to get right into it and say that the nails that I have right now, I got for $17 on Etsy from Nailing312. So it comes in a little package like this. We'll do this one. Comes in a little package that looks like this. It comes with a nail buffer, a cuticle thingy majig, and 2 alcohol wipes, one for each hand. My number one tip, I'm gonna just go right into it and give you a tip, is to use really good nail glue. I've had these on 5 days and I have yet to lose a nail. I've washed dishes, I've washed my hands, I've washed my ass, and my nails still haven't fallen off. So I think that's a good thing. So what I do when I put my nails on, the mistake I made with these, because I was in such a rush just to put them on, is I didn't push my cuticles back on this hand, and it makes such a difference when it comes to making them look real. My hands, I feel like I'm a type of person that has to wear nails because I have old lady hands. So yeah, so to me, I feel like I have to wear nails. But back to what I was saying. So push your cuticles back and then take this. Well, what I did, I'll tell you what I did, is I took the alcohol wipes. I washed my hands, dried them, took the alcohol wipes, wiped them off. Then I buffered my hands, buffered all my fingernails. And what I should have did after that is push my cuticles back, but I didn't push my cuticles back. So that's the step that you would insert into it. And then what I did is I put the nail glue on my fingernail and I let it, sit there for 5 to 10 seconds. And then I put more glue onto the fingernail. So I put it on the back of the fingernail and then I stuck it together and I kept my hand like this for about 10 seconds. So I did those steps and then repeat. So back to what I was saying, Nailing312 in particular, she does custom sizes and then she does standard sizes. So she has extra small, medium, large. I made a really big mistake the first time thinking that I was going to be a standard size, but I wasn't. So my second tip is to make sure that you know your nail sizes. I would highly suggest you, one, if you don't know your nail size, to buy go to the hair supply store or the beauty supply store, or go to Walmart and get one of those empty packs of nails, those regular, they don't have anything on them, because on the back they're gonna have the numbers on there. And I would suggest you doing that. Or a lot of these people have what's called sizing kits. So they'll mail you out a sizing kit first before you order your nails. And I'm saying that because I paid, I want to say $27 for this first pack of nails, because this is the first pack that I bought. And I got the wrong size and I could not fit them. So that's why I'm telling you guys that. Let me see. So these were the first nails that I ordered. I thought that they were so bomb, and I thought I was gonna show up to the Black Panther premiere with these nails and my Black Panther shirt and be cute, but because I didn't listen to her, I messed up. So these are nails that I cannot wear. I'm thinking about just giving them away. Yeah, I may just give these away to somebody who has smaller hands than I do. She did offer, and this is where the next mistake I made. She did offer to give me a set of 20 instead of the set of 10 for an additional fee. But I was like, nah, my hands are small. I have standard hands. No, check your sizes first. So the next company that I would like to recognize is another Etsy shop. I get most of my press-on nails. I have 4 sets. The set I have on my hand, this set right here, this set right here, and then I have another set that's on the way. I got this from Sweetlittlenails, and I think this was like, I'll put the price down. And I got these, and she actually sends a set of 20. But I think that the nails that I have on my hands right now and these were almost, the set of 20 was almost the same price. So this is how hers came. And again, with these Etsy shops, you can customize your nails. They have really nice designs. You can get different shapes. You can get different lengths. But yeah, so far, so good. I do kind of miss like the acrylic part, because I feel like any minute now, one of these nails is going to pop off. I feel like any minute, one of these nails is going to fly across that room. So I feel less secure with these, but my nails are healthier. It's been a couple days and I haven't had like any breakage or anything like that. And I feel like they're reusable. Another great thing that I like about press-on nails is the fact that they are removable. I don't know if some of you guys know. Some of you guys do know, because some of you guys know me personally. But I am a military veteran. In the military, nails have to be a certain standard, a certain length, a certain color. But sometimes we have special events on the weekends, or we go on leave and stuff like that. And we want our nails to be popping. I wish these were around when I was in the military, but whatevs. If you're a healthcare professional or anything like that, that's another benefit. So yeah, overall, I love the nails. I think they're great. I'm gonna continue to get a couple more designs and stuff like that, and I'll go ahead and link Nailing 312, Sweetlittlenails, and one more shop that I've ordered from, the one who I have my nails coming on the way. And the next shop that I have nails coming from, I'll link them down below. So that's pretty much my take on press-on nails. So far, so good. But I don't know. I think that I'll go back to wearing like acrylics and gel nails once I find somebody good. Like once I see their work and stuff like that. But if you know me and if you know where I live, I'm not going to disclose that, but if you know where I live, go ahead and comment down below if you have like a really good nail lady or anything like that. If she's never booked, I don't want her. I want a nail lady that's always booked, because that lets me know that she's actually good at what she does. Like, yeah. So, I'm not going to hold you guys any longer. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe most of all. I'm getting ready to compile a 100 subscriber giveaway. So please don't forget to subscribe. So yeah, that's pretty much how I feel about press-on nails. Wakanda forever. Have a good one.